Hi, this is Tim Suddard from Classic Motorsports. Sadly, we're all kind of stuck in our garages this year. Car guys like us need Concours events, but more importantly, the communities they serve and the charities they work with need them even more than we do. To help Concours events all over the world, I've gotten together with some of my friends in the Concours world, and we've created Concours D'Cancelation. So while this event will be virtual, it will be a real Concours. It will have real judges and all the typical Concours classes. Starting September 15th, we're going to invite Concours events, car owners, and spectators to come together and help these Concours events get through this tough year. Each Concours involved will be asked to invite some of their top collectors to join in on the fun. So this will run throughout the fall and will culminate on Concours Sunday, November 8th, where we will determine the winning cars. So there's no cost for the Concours events, there's no cost for the car owners, and there's no cost to spectate. All we ask is if you can, donate a little bit to your favorite Concours through the links that we'll be providing. So to get your event entered, or get your car entered, or just to spectate and enjoy what we're doing, go to canceledconcours.com.